All right guys, we are at the bend here and we are doing the speed challenge, but I've got these idiots here. I'm gonna let them use the XR6. I'm gonna do the first run and then they're gonna work out who's gonna do the next one. Whoever's slowest is gonna ride a bull. So mainly this year. So we've got to find a bull and then whoever's, anyway, we'll work out the punishment after. Loser either rides a bull or pays for dinner, something like that. So I think we've got enough fuel, but hopefully the XR6, it lasts. But everyone's gonna have a crack and let's go.
Can someone tell me what gear you're going to go in?
Third. Nah, you're going third.
Yeah, same. I don't know.
Top gear.
Going third, bro.
Hey, we're riding a bull, bro.
No, we're not riding a bull. I'm riding the bull.
Yes.
You probably go third, fourth.
Yeah. Trust me, this guy knows.
You know it's manual.
Is it manual?
You know it's manual.
I can't drive a manual.
My name is Daniel. I drive a manual.
Oh my god, I'm gonna lose so bad. I'm gonna stall it. Wait, you got a race suit on. So I start in second or third.
Well, what, are you jump starting?
Nah, it's just a nice little roll start and then
Yeah, that's it, mate.
second or third. I got no
What
idea.
car you driving?
Charlie's F6.
Stop getting pointers, man. Stop getting pointers. So he's riding the bull. He's a f***ing horse guy anyway, so it doesn't matter. If I lose, I ain't riding the bull, but if I win, someone's riding the bull.
Now don't tell Charles, we're just going to turn it down a little bit. Just wind it down a little bit for him. We'll just cover up the inlet so it can't suck any air for Deb.
Just undo the negative so it like starts breaking up when he gets down the other
Yeah,
end.
nothing to see here, nothing to see.
Want the boosty up.
Wait, if he's in it first, we'll turn the windscreen wipers and radio up and shit. Windscreen wipers on, radio up. You know, come on, put his windscreen wipers down. That's just silly.
Go easy on my gearbox too, eh?
You got another one at the workshop.
Hey, don't tell them that. Aircon on, you f***ing name it. You know, these blokes. Warm. Max aircon, radio up. He's absolutely cooked. Oh shit.
Well, loser pays for dinner, but we're going to meet in Wanko.
No! I can't afford it.
Only if Dimo wins.
Well, you can buy out now for $1,200 and it's like half price. Full price.
We go all like our families are coming too.
Yeah.
It's not just us.
You know what, guys? I'm going to have more faith in myself. I think I'm not coming last. I'm number one, baby.
Hey, look, $1,200 buyout, you can leave
I
now.
can't wait to thank all my fans. Thank you everyone for coming.
You've been on the O-Bump?
Yeah.
It's like that, just drive it against the wall. Like, Jack, it's not yours.
Oh, shit.
That's carte blanche to blow the thing
Someone
up, I
just
reckon.
tell me what
I'm telling you now, third. Yeah, three.
It's been silly.
Roll through in third.
What about Charles?
Roll through in third. You gotta think, the more gear changes, the more time you lose. As long as it'll straight. Roll up into third. Yeah, roll up in third and get to 50 and just clutch it, hold the revs in, and when you get to there, just bang, straight off. Hook up.
I don't trust any of you.
How about you do the steering wheel, I'll change gears.
You know, I'm telling you, you're a good driver.
I think you're dead rock, paper, scissors.
Oh! Is this for
Rock,
balls?
paper, scissors. What's this for? This is for last. Rock, paper, scissors.
Oh.
Scissors.
Yeah, at least everyone's going to get a shot.
Oh, the faith that you have in him.
He breaks it. He breaks it.
Oh,
He breaks
that's why
everything.
you're all like, don't give him the keys.
Yeah.
Look, mate, don't worry, it's only on camera.
So upset right now.
Yeah, but if the car's broken, you don't get a shot. It means you still lose.
That's not how it works.
Yeah, we're gonna run.
I beat all of you. These two couldn't run a meter.
David Bowie can't touch his knees and his ankles at the same time.
Ben used to be fat, now he's not, so he'll be alright.
I sweat olive oil. Yeah, just as long as you're in the front. Yeah, everyone be slipping. Keep the windows up.
You have to edit so much of this shit out.
Hell no, we're leaving everything in. This is for subscribers only.
18 plus.
I got one of those.
What's your OnlyFans? While we're here, it's ben@drinkslonelybeers.com.
Lonely cans.
All right, here we go. Bit nervous here. I don't know what the hell we're doing.
punching the steering wheel. 2.7 here. So he's buying deals so far, boys. We're hungry. Well, I'm hungry. Thanks, Charles. Thanks for dinner, mate. Good job, buddy. I'm going in 20 kilometres an hour now.
Well, I lost, I think. I was nowhere near it. Definitely wasn't going fast enough. Oh, shit. How'd I go?
Having fun.
I lost. Oh, he lost as well.
What was the entry speed going in?
52. I was going slower than that. That's fun.
You're paying, bros. Everyone's going to go in at 30.
I was going so slow and he was a mile ahead of me. Oh, it's fucking 50 mile an hour. So it's 30. So it's like 30 Ks.
Even better now that I know that. Because I was going to go like 40.
What did I do? 52.
Oh, you want it? What were you going in at? 50 on
I was in, no, on here. I was in first gear, man.
So
I
second,
was going, I thought I was going, I stayed well under.
It's so funny.
Fucking bullshit.
Is it fun?
It's fun.
Yeah.
This thing actually shifts alright too. Here you go, brother.
You got
No, get fucked, mate. You gotta go off the analog dial. Been a flat tire, bro. Because like old man was gone before like I even went, so I must have 52 though.
Yeah, this tasted pretty good though, by the way.
I think it must be you have to go completely past the 60. It's an average between there and like the sign or something, I think, or there and.
I'm not going to listen to you because you f***ed up.
Exactly. Well, good luck to you.
Here we go, Dimo.
Come on, Dimo. Fuck it up. Go. Faster, mate. Faster. Faster. I was faster.
Oh, you're 176. That's the Look, I'm just going to win before he exits way. No one likes paying for dinner. Got a brown eye.
Go! Go! Oh, I'm liking this.
Yes, I'm in right now.
Yes,
I'm winning so far.
You are winning.
Why are you winning? Because I didn't break it out and I've gone the fastest.
He's gone the fastest. He's got the fastest time so far.
Yes! You might go boys. I hit the limiter in second, went backwards, but I still beat Dicko, so it's not all bad. We're all right.
I wonder if I should just stall it, give them all a laugh. Because they're going to be hanging there waiting. Oh, only thing I have to do is not go over 52. I don't care if I win because Dimo's winning and he's going to pick a sick restaurant, Greek gastronomical guide. I just need to not lose. And all I have to do that is not go faster than 52 point whatever it goes in. Hit the limiter, missed the gear, but I was under 50. Hell yes.
So he's third, because that was f***ing slow.
I'd almost ban him from my car.
No, because he just didn't want to break out. He didn't want to pay. It's Benny.
I'm going to take a nervous wee. I'm literally about to wet my...
Jeez, I hope one of those two break out so I don't look like I can't drive.
Oh, now we're 50 miles. Yeah, I fucking missed the gear. Yeah, I hit the limiter.
How do you reckon you hit the limiter as well?
I hit the limiter in second because there's no red line. So I hit the limiter in second.
You got no idea.
And then missed the gear
Into third.
into third. And I was just laughing about it going, doesn't matter.
You're still under.
I'm still under. What happened? Did I break out? Did I break out? But I'm not last. Who cares? Jaso's picked for dinner. You'll have to tune him in, Demo, and tell him where to go.
Hey, it's alright, mate. Welcome to the losers table. That's alright. You have to go again, eh?
I'm going to take the camera then you can have a race. Man behind the camera. Turn it around. Turn it around.
Hey, my money stays my money. Double or nothing. Two dinners. All day dining, breakfast, lunch, and yeah, Charlie's. That's what we're going. Charlie's dining, boys. All you can eat, lock in.
I'm going to get fat again.
You're winning. Come on. I think you're number one. Yeah. You didn't jump and you got the fastest time.
There's no red line, so you don't know when you're going to hit the limiter.
You start first. I'm telling you. You do you, that's what I got told. You know what's riding on this? If I win this, my life, I could die a happy man tomorrow. My heart is going a million miles an hour. I'm gonna have a heart attack.
You'll be fine, it's easy. Just don't go over whatever that speed limit's supposed to be.
Oh my God, I'm gonna have a heart attack. Oh my God, I'm so nervous. Do you know what's riding on this? The rest of my life, my friendship.
Beautiful things that I've got, please.
Oh, I don't know whether to start first or second. I think the less gear changes, the better. I just don't know. I don't know. Oh my God. Athlete. Oh.
Is he shitting himself? Is he shitting himself?
The poor kid's got no idea. He doesn't know whether to start first, second, or third. He's legally lost.
With the whole lot.
Yeah, because you're like, well, what did you do? And I'm like, oh yeah, I hit the limiter going from like the top of second. And he's like, but you said you started in third. I was like, yeah, third. I don't know, man. Just work it out.
Oh my Lord. I think I'm just going to try and start in second. Start the drag race in second.
He's paying. Is that? Boy, he went quicker than 52. He went quicker than
I got on my phone. He went slower than Dicko and went faster through the gate. So, you're feeling hungry, boys? Let's go check it out.
Unlucky.
I'm so nervous. Oh, God.
Don't tell.
Hey, wait and see. Cheers, mate. Lost! I lost!
Yes! You're paying! You are paying!
I'm going again! I'm going again! I'm going again! Jack, even when he lost! He lost and he's broke the car. I'm going again!
Wouldn't be Jack if he didn't break something.
What did you go over?
He went 52 over. You lost, Dicko! I'm going again.
Doesn't count.
Jackie boy.
52.67. Oh, it was 53.
52.9.
Oh, 3 tenths. 0.3.
52.6. 52.9. Come on, is he going again? Get back here.
So, wait. He's got a choice. He can ride the ball or he can shout, didn't he? So we'll let him decide.
Yeah, he's going to ride the ball.
He's hard. You know we're going to play dinner. Just see where we're going.
No, he won.
No, you won.
He won.
Yeah, he's smoking. Yeah.
Bullshit. He's going too fast again.
Nah, he's not coming back. He's going to keep going.
He's got straight to my bridge.
went slower than his run previous.
He's still broke out.
He broke out twice. He has to buy dinner and ride the ball.
I think you broke out. Was that point 1 you broke out?
0.1. But anyway, and I went 167.
JSO determines it's right. You got a choice here. You shout in or you're on.
I'm riding the ball.
Yeah, you got to ride the ball and the ball.
And you've got to ride the ball tonight. Jack, you went last, and all you can do is go at like 30.
Yeah, I know. You would have won. That would have been me. It's alright. We still love you. That's why we love you.
Riding the ball and paying for dinner.
No, this is a good one though. It's only 0.1 over.
Yeah, it's still over, brother. Doesn't matter if you win by an inch or a bar.
Can you edit in that like behind blue eyes? Like just really sobbing.
The winner got to choose where we go to dinner, and then the loser had to pay for dinner. And we were going to Meat and Wine Co. And Jack just got back from Bali, and he's saying, I can't afford that. And we sort of threw out there, oh, you got to ride a ball if you don't want to do that. And he's like, I'll ride the ball. No, I want to ride the ball. And so he's all about riding the ball.
I feel like he's too keen to ride a ball.
Yeah. And so I think we found one. It's a little bit of a trek, but that's pretty much, hopefully we can get that done this Sunday, get it filmed, and get that video back to you guys, because that'll be hilarious. And then if he rides a bull, I'll pay for dinner wherever we are. So that's what we're doing.
Stay tuned.